Hello everyone and welcome back to another edition of Bristol Crypto Craig here on a Saturday evening in lockdown. And what better way to spend 10 or 15 minutes in chatting about the great Chainlink, which is I'm a big fan of this project. If anyone was wondering what happened to last night's video, for some reason I was having issues with YouTube. For some reason I couldn't publish a video. So I like to do one video a day, but for some reason that couldn't happen yesterday. So here we are back with it again, guys. So I want to start off with talking about Chainlink, as you can see. Now, Chainlink started off as an ICO back in mid to the end of 2017. And initially, when this project started as an ICO, I think the price was around about 10 cents per coin, I believe, at ICO offering. Now, ICO is initial coin offering for beginners that aren't aware of what that is. So, a lot of projects, when they start out, they will have an ICO, initial coin offering, before they go onto the exchanges and before they go into the actual mainstream, kind of, if you will. So, that's a way of building up some money and getting some of their coins circulating and basically raising money for their project. And that was what Chainlink started off with originally, going back to about 4 years ago now. And today's prices, you can see, are have been up as high as $30 a coin. So in the space of 4 years, we've gone from like 10 cents up to nearly $30 and a bit more. I believe is the all-time high. It's definitely something I'm invested in, guys. And so basically, I just want to have a quick chat about what Chainlink actually is if you're quite new to the project. And for me, Chainlink is like the king of oracles, in my opinion. Um, I hold a good bag of this coin. I've got real high hopes for it in this cycle. So if you think of an oracle, basically there is Chainlink, there is Band. Those are the main two, in my opinion, that are fighting this position in the decentralized finance sector. But just briefly, what problem does Chainlink aim to solve? So it's basically, if I just read off here, one of the biggest problems that preventing the mass adoption of decentralized applications or DeFi is their inability to interact with data outside of the blockchain itself. Smart contracts run on Ethereum, for instance, don't have a native way of accessing data outside the Ethereum ecosystem. So what Chainlink tries to do with this, basically, guys, is to solve this problem with the help of its breakthrough technology, and it is impressive. It has developed a platform for blockchain oracles, and which are nodes, and the Chainlink tokens are actually used to pay node operators on a network, acting as a bridge that connects on-chain and off-chain data, enables smart contracts to retrieve data from the outside world. So what the Chainlink oracle is basically doing is it's connecting the real world with the Chainlink, with the blockchain world. And the oracle that Chainlink are doing is actually what crosses that over. So it acts as a bridge to connect the off-chain to the on-chain, real world to blockchain. So it's really clever what they're doing. So basically, the way it works is, first of all, we need to understand how does it work. So the Chainlink platform has become a link that connects cryptocurrencies and the banking segment. So with Chainlink's help, it's now possible to use smart contracts in the traditional financial system. From a technical point of view, Chainlink is basically presenting software and it uses an API for cryptocurrency contracts, using its decentralized network of oracles. So Chainlink connects its dApps with the data from the real world. Oracles help to upload data to the blockchain, allowing smart contracts to interact with the external outside environment. So it's a great coin. So a quick rundown on Chainlink's history here. September 2017, Chainlink raised 32 million during their ICO, which is really impressive. If you don't know a lot about ICOs, that is brutal. having issued 1 billion Link tokens. And in November of 2018, they acquired Town Crier, which was an unauthorized data feed for smart contracts. And then in May of 2019, Chainlink officially launched its platform on F, the mainnet. So just quickly, briefly to tell you, the project was launched by a 32-year-old guy. You may or may not heard of Sergey Nazarov, and he is the co-founder with Steve Ellis as well, the California-based consulting firm. So this is basically a brief rundown on it. And so I just want to have a look at the charts, guys, at the moment. As we can see here, I mean, Chainlink has had a pullback since what we're looking at, the 20th of Feb. So in the past week, it's had a bit of a pullback. We can see up here, at one time we were over $36. We didn't quite close the wick there. We did pull back, closed that day at around about 35, 34. Since then, we've had a bit of a brutal pullback. At one point, going down to stay over $22. Currently going back up now and settling around about the $26 mark. Now, I really think for me, Chainlink is so undervalued. I'm not really quite sure why it's still only at 20 something dollars. I am expecting the next move on this coin to go up to maybe like $80 to $100. I really am. I'm expecting sort of like a similar breakout to what we had with Binance BNB the last week or two, where it absolutely rocketed. And then Polkadot has also had some great gains. I'm expecting something like this to happen with Chainlink. I don't know if the price is being subdued at the moment or manipulated or being kept low for a reason. But I just feel this coin is ready to pop any time now going into March. I think it's going to be a huge month anyway. And I really think then what we're going to see with Chainlink is over the coming weeks, I think we're going to see it going back up to the breaking the highs up towards the 40 mark, maybe a slight pullback there before moving back up towards 60, 80 to $100 in the coming month, 6 weeks. I really can see that happening for Chainlink, guys. It's an insane project, so undervalued, and I just can't understand why it is being kept low. So expect breakouts for that, guys, as well. So let's have a look at the coin market cap, shall we, guys, and see what's going on at the moment. There hasn't actually been a lot that's happened, really. Bitcoin is just settling in. Ethereum is settling down as well. Ethereum going back down to the 1500 mark. That has got to be a breakout soon, surely, hasn't it? I've been saying it for weeks, I know. Well, I'm still waiting for that real true breakout of going through 2000. I know we have broken the 2000 mark, but I'm just waiting for to actually, like, confirmation of that breakout still. I don't really feel it's been like sealed yet. So once we get over 2000, 2100, I think then we will start flying, guys, then. Cardano, really bullish on Cardano. Great pumps the last 7 days. And today alone, nearly 9% gains in the charts, guys, as well. Really good. Polkadot, no brainer. Everyone should be holding Polkadot in their portfolio, in my opinion. It's just a must-have, guys, Polkadot, and it's going. I think this is going to go up to more potential probably than Chainlink. Maybe this will go up to a couple of hundred, $200 to $300, guys, in the cycle this year. So really looking forward to that one. And Stellar's had nice moves too, nearly up 20% today. Just trading just under 46 cents now as we speak. So really good going there. So I am really expecting some breakouts, guys. I can't see how the market can stay, in a bit of a downward trend as it is at the moment going into March. I think looking at the charts, I believe March is going to be insane, and April is going to pick up too. Bitcoin is kind of steadying itself at the moment. I believe at the moment the Bitcoin dominance is around about the 60% mark. Be nice to see that finally drop down into the 50s, and then the lower we go, the better for alt season, which I believe is just around the corner, guys. Now, let's just have a quick look and see what the actual Bitcoin dominance is at the moment as we speak. So yeah, we're dead on 60% at the moment, just over. Looking for that to drop, as I say, before we really do take off for alt season, guys. Alt season must be here now, surely. Must be due another leg up. I think in the last cycle there was like 8 or 9 corrections on the way up. And I think we've only had like 3 or 4 major, like proper what I'd say was corrections in this cycle since we're going into the bear. So I feel this one is going to pick up, guys. I feel that we're going to be going green soon, and we are going to see pumps. But that's it for now. Um, Stack your Chainlink, guys. Stack your Polkadot. Great projects. Keep stacking up Cardano as well. Stellar, 1 inch. I'm really bullish on those at the moment, guys. So let's see how the market goes. Once we hit into March, things I think will start taking off. That's it for me, guys. I'll be back with you with another video tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you could just hit the like button for me and subscribe if you like what I'm doing. Try to get my algorithm back on track. And hope everyone's well, keeping safe, keep your heads up, keep keeping good spirits. Lockdown is coming to an end soon. Hopefully get back to normal in the summer, guys. Right, Bristol Crypto Crate checking out, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Peace out. Take it easy, guys. Stack those coins.